CyBIZ Lab is an interdisciplinary student consulting program housed under the Ivy College of Business and Papa John Center for Entrepreneurship at Iowa State University. CyBIZ Lab students consult with companies and organizations around the world. Student teams have worked with companies in the startup stage to multinational corporations, including nonprofit organizations and universities. Projects range in variety based on client needs. Project work includes market analysis, best practices research, and marketing campaign development. The students create surveys, conduct focus groups, do financial modeling, analyze economic impacts, and examine supply chain bottlenecks. This is only a snapshot of the unique projects performed by CyBIZ Lab student teams. Students experience real industry problems and are challenged to find solutions. They interact with CEOs, company founders, board of directors, and corporate leadership teams. Students gain valuable experience preparing reports, managing meetings, working in teams, and giving professional presentations, all while working on their degrees and applying what they learn in the classroom. Students get to work with peers from different majors, which imitates professional teams and skill sets. This allows students to learn about a variety of industries, gain meaningful experience in solving business problems, and they get paid for their great work. Clients love CyBIZ Lab's interdisciplinary teams and flexible timelines for starting projects. Students exceed client expectations time and time again. Companies and organizations come back for additional projects, which is a great testimony of the awesome work Iowa State students perform in CyBIZ Lab. At Iowa State University, this is how we innovate in CyBIZ Lab. Come work with us.